And CO2 is to determine the different parameters of single phase and three phase AC with the phasor representation. ठीक है, मतलब कि सिंगल फेज और एसी थ्री फेज सर्किट का पैरामीटर्स को हम लोग डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं और फेजर रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी बना सकते हैं. एंड कंट्रास्ट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन थ्री फेज स्टार एंड डेल्टा कनेक्शन. स्टार और डेल्टा कनेक्शन क्या होता है उसके बीच में आप कंट्रास्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन discriminate, you can distinguish between the star and delta connections, okay, and you can solve the problems related to star and delta connections. Fourth is illustrate the basic construction and operation of electrical machine. Like the electrical machines का जो construction और working है, operation है, ये आप लोगों को पता होगा. और outline the operation of different type of choppers and inverters, ये हम लोग आगे चल के पढ़ेंगे 5th यूनिट में, choppers और inverters के बारे में. ठीक है. And sixth is identify the components of low voltage electrical installations. Identify the components of low voltage electrical installations. ये last यूनिट आपका, ठीक है ना. एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं लेक्चर प्लान. आई विल शेयर, आई हैव शेयर्ड इट, है ना. एफिशिएंसी एंड रेगुलेशन, एफिशिएंसी तक हम लोग कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. देन रेगुलेशन वी विल सी इट नाउ. एंड ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर, थ्री फेज ट्रांसफार्मर कनेक्शन, दिस दैट्स इट. एक न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे एंड दिस ट्रांसफार्मर पार्ट विल बी ओवर. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द थर्ड यूनिट. So yes. Is it visible to you?
No, sir. Clear visual.
No, sir. Not clearly visible.
Not clearly visible. Okay. अब दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Now it's visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. So, okay, before starting, you will be shared the notes. Okay, जिस तरह अभी एक मिनट कट कर दिया मैंने, I will share the other notes. And second thing is that you get the question paper in this in the format of course outcome. ठीक है ना. इसमें क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ ये भी लिखा रहेगा कि कौन सा कोर्स आउटकम इससे फुलफिल हो रहा है. ओके. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज दैट आपको असाइनमेंट भी देंगे, तो उसमें भी लिखा हुआ रहेगा यस सपोज कि अगर वो एसी सर्किट से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है ना, सो इट विल डेफिनेटली समहाउ रिलेट विद द कोर्स आउटकम 2. जो हम लोग कोर्स आउटकम 2 में एसी सर्किट के बारे में है वो उससे मैच करेगा. ठीक है ना. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोर्स आउटकम. ठीक है. इसी तरह 12 अलग अलग पॉइंट्स प्रोग्राम आउटकम्स. ठीक है ना. तो उतना ज्यादा तो पूछेंगे नहीं, है ना, बस ये पूछेंगे तो आपको पता है डिस्क्राइब कर देगा. एंड ये दे लास्ट में और था क्लास एंड द क्लैरिफिकेशन. तो आप लोग जो भी पूछते हो वो मैं आपका क्वेरीज को क्लियर करता हूँ. ये पूछेंगे तो आप बोल दीजिएगा कि हम सर पेज एंड करते हैं एंड इंडिविजुअली फिर सर डाउट्स को क्लैरिफाई करते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like it, sir.
So voltage regulation. Before it, we have discussed about the transformer efficiency. Okay. So efficiency is nothing but the performance of a particular device. If it is a transformer, if it is any other machine. Okay. So how much efficient it is, how much input we are giving, and how much output we are getting from that device. Okay. That is the meaning of efficiency. Okay. So we have seen the formula. In fact, Okay, so in transformer exactly we have seen that simply equal to P out. Yes, efficiency is equal to P out upon. So P out upon definitely if there is some sort of loss when machine है तो कुछ का loss होगा so what will happen अगर इन्हें थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए P in से थोड़ा कम होगा so P in minus P losses upon हो P है ना so it will be 1 minus P losses upon. This is also a formula for efficiency. Usually the efficiency in transformer is in transformer. In the case of transformer, the efficiency is usually it's 95%. Okay. In case of transformer, in transformer only, not in other machine. Other machine में अलग-अलग efficiency होता है. Okay. So now moving on to voltage regulation. Okay. So voltage regulation, what we mean about voltage regulation? Regulation मतलब ये होता है कि anything which is regulated. Regulated means कि like if the quantity is fixed, ठीक है. Suppose we say that voltage regulator. Okay, so means it regulates the voltage if there is some sort of change in the output side, but the input will be same. Okay, like let's suppose whatever input we are getting to a particular machine or device, so in a device. So what will happen? What output, whatever output we are getting, okay, the change in the output, यहाँ पे कोई भी change होता है, okay, if there is any sort of change, this should be fixed. This should be fixed, okay. This may vary, but with the variation of this output, it should be fixed. It should be constant. ये होता है regulated supply. जैसे regulated input, regulated supply मतलब regulated मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ पे input same रहेगा, output चाहे कुछ भी हो, okay. So this is the meaning of voltage regulation. It is the regulated one. So in case of transformer, like we have discussed here, in case of transformer, we have discussed the circuit something like that. Okay.
अपना सब बनाना पड़ता है। गाड़ी अच्छा चलाते हैं, मोटरसाइकिल बढ़िया चलाता है, बड़ी बढ़िया।
सामने के सी नहीं है लाइसेंस में। हाँ
नहीं कमर्शियल नहीं, आप लोग टेम्पो
yes
आइएगा तो
चल रहा है क्या Okay. So what we know that we have seen this circuit before. Also we have seen this circuit. This is V2 and here is V2. Okay. Now just consider that this load is not present here. Okay. This is open circuit. Okay? If it is having no load, if it is no load, also open circuit. If it is open circuit, okay. So what will happen? No current will flow here. So यहाँ पे कितना voltage जाएगा? This E2 will be experienced here. What we will see? Just the same of this E2. It will appear here. Okay. So it will be E2. Now, when we load this circuit, means when we connect a load here. When we connect a load here, a current will flow here. This will be I2. If the current is flowing through here, and definitely there will be a voltage. So this is V2. Okay. So V2 at full load. Okay. So this one upon the voltage at full load into 100. So it will be the percentage voltage regulation. Okay. इससे हम लोग क्या समझ में आया? What we understood from this diagram visualization, like when it is on no load, the secondary voltage, okay, the secondary voltage is E2. And now when we load this circuit, there will be some other voltage. Okay, यहाँ पे E2 है, and we know that E2 is equal to V2 plus I2 into R2 plus JXP. So this is the voltage equation. So this the EMF induced in the secondary side E2 is the summation of this and this. So definitely ये ज़्यादा होगा. T2 will be more than V2. E2 will be more than V2. Okay. Now if E2 is more than V2, when we load this circuit, E2 is greater than V2. ये क्या होगा? ज़्यादा होगा. V2 से ये ज़्यादा होगा. इसीलिए this equation becomes like this: E2 minus V2. ये मतलब secondary voltage at no load, secondary voltage at full load upon the secondary voltage at full load. ठीक है ना? So इसको आप लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं: V2 at no load minus V2 at full load upon the V2 at full load. Okay. Okay. So the thing which we should understand from this equation is when we load this circuit, there is some sort of voltage drop. When we load this circuit, there is some sort of voltage drop. This V2 is somehow lesser than this E2. So finally, what we are getting at the output is lesser than the induced EMF. So हमको generate हो रहा है. We are getting lesser than that. Okay. So thing is that ये voltage जो है, ये difference बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. So this factor is determined by this voltage regulation. This is the minimum voltage regulation. Okay. So you may be asked about in the examination about this voltage regulation. about this about the calculation voltage regulation. So simply when the voltage when it is operating at no load, the secondary voltage just get the secondary voltage minus the voltage at full load. दोनों secondary का ही है, तो बस हमको तो देखना ही है कि आउटपुट में हमको क्या मिल रहा है जब सिस्टम लोड हो रहा है तो कितना ज्यादा लॉस हो रहा है। तो बेसिकली ये फैक्टर जो है कितना ज्यादा हो रहा है। अगर आइडियल केस होगा देन इट इज 0, इट विल बी 0, तो टोटल वोल्टेज क्या होगा। अगर इफ इट इज आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर देन वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन विल बी 0 बिकॉज़ sorry 0 होगा 1, why it will be 1, like this V2 is equal to V2, so it will be a totally regulated supply, but nothing is ideal. So in that case what will happen, there is some sort of loss, so finally some sort of variable image. Suppose we can calculate it like that. Suppose this is the voltage at V2 is 400 volts and V2 is 350 volts. Okay, what will happen? 400 minus 350 upon 350. So it will be 50 upon 350 into 100. So how much it will be? 1 upon 7 means so nearly 14%, nearly 14%. Okay, 40% is huge. इतना ज़्यादा loss नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so it should not be something like that. इतना ज़्यादा loss नहीं होना चाहिए. So loss should be maximum 5%, maximum 5%. Okay. So what we understood, those circuits the circuits which are having the voltage regulation very less. Okay, very less voltage regulation is required in the circuit. So those devices which are having very minimum voltage regulation. Okay, the lesser the voltage regulation, the better the circuit will be. Okay, the means you can say that it is inversely efficiency. Okay, if it is more, then efficiency will be less. Okay, and if it is lesser, then this will be more. Okay. Have you got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's come to this slide. So voltage regulation is the percentage of voltage difference between no load and full load voltage of the transformer with respect to its full load voltage. Okay. And then this is the same whatever I have explained. These are the same when now when the grid is loaded, full load current is connected to the secondary terminal of the transformer. Related current I2 flows through the secondary circuit. The same thing. Okay. और वही बात है, this voltage drop in the secondary is I2 Z2, and because of that voltage regulation comes in the picture. Okay. And so this is the formula. Voltage regulation is E2 minus V2 upon V2 into 100%. Okay. Now So this is about the voltage regulation. Now auto transformer. Okay. So now what is auto transformer? Just like the transformer which what we have seen. Okay. Just like the transformer, what we have seen there. I will come to this slide once again. Let me come to that part. So in case of auto transformer, so earlier what we have seen something like this. And something like this. So what is there? You can see clearly that there are two windings. This is winding number 1 and this is winding number 2. There are two windings. Okay. But in case of auto transformer, what we will observe that auto transformer is a circuit in which like so here what can we see here? That in spite of using two windings, okay, in spite of using two windings, we are having only one winding. We are connecting only one winding, but we are performing the operation of a transformer. Like it is V1, a current will flow through here, and here it is tapped. Okay, it is having more windings. Okay. So now in this case, what will happen? In this case, what will happen? This V2 is V2, sorry, this V1. यहाँ पे जो voltage आएगा, whatever voltage it will give here, okay. In the secondary side, more voltage will be experienced because more number of turns are there. More number of turns are there. Okay. The current will be lesser here, the current will be more here. So that will come to the later. Okay. So now what is the thing is that since they have two windings, this is called two winding transformer. Okay. Whatever we are saying in the market and the also itself, that is a two winding transformer. Now this auto transformer is basically used in lab as a variant. Okay. So I will tell that later. Okay. So the thing is that it is having a single winding, only a single winding. Okay. And there is a tapping through which we can perform this operation. Okay. ये सर्किट ऑपोजिट भी हो सकता है, लाइक ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि ये हमारा अगर हम लोगों को इस साइड में कम वोल्टेज चाहिए है ना, तो सिंपली ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ये ऐसा होगा ये समथिंग लाइक दैट और ऐसे and tapping will be here. तो अभी क्या होगा V1 total voltage is V1 and this voltage is V2. Definitely we can see here the number of turns is lesser, so voltage will be lesser. Okay, and inversely the current will also be taken care. Okay, so let's come to that slide. Where is that slide? Yes. Move to the fresh slide. Let's move to a fresh slide. So now we can read the picture. Since it's not properly visible, that is why I need to click picture. Otherwise, I will have. Yes, sir. Auto transformer, what we have seen? This is the circuit. Okay. Voltage V1. Current flowing through here is I1. Okay. And this is current I2. Voltage V2 happens here. Voltage V2. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? इस जगह पे this will be I1 minus I2. Okay. So what will happen? This V1 will be activated in this complete total number of turns. Okay. But this V2, this is in respect with this number of turns only. Okay. So what will happen? The voltage induced at this part will be definitely lesser than V1. So this is what type of transformer? This will simply step down. Okay. It will step down. So a auto transformer performs the same operation of a two-winding transformer. It can step up the voltage. It can step down the voltage like we have seen. Other primary side में more number of turns are connected, then it means that it is having more voltage, and the secondary will have lesser voltage. So, and yes, okay, come to this part. So you can draw it. Okay, you draw it. Draw this circuit diagram. You may be asked about this auto transformer topic. Okay. Now you can see here in auto transformer one single winding is used as primary winding. The things which I have expressed already, I have told already. Those things must be written here. N1 किसको बोलेंगे? ये पूरा यहाँ से A to C, A to B को from A to B, it will be N1, and B to C is N2. Okay. Now, if V1 is the voltage applied across the winding, okay, A और C जो बीच में जो voltage, so voltage per turn in this winding is voltage per turn in this winding is V1 upon N1 definitely per turn क्या voltage हो जाएगा V1 upon N1 so what will be the voltage per turn? It will be V1 total voltage upon the number of turns. हर टर्न में कितना वोल्टेज होगा ठीक है ना we are talking about this okay so definitely the total voltage upon the number of turns it will be V1 upon N1 okay this is the voltage per turn and hence the voltage across the portion BC of the winding this BC यहाँ पे ये voltage V2 जिसको अभी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं not V2 it will be actually V2 you can say है ना V2 you can say so the voltage across the portion BC of the winding will be V1 upon N1 per turn into the number of turns there ठीक है so what it will be V2 is equal to V1 upon N1 ये हर एक टर्म है और मान लीजिए मुझे यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना है तो ये V1 upon N1 into the number of turns यहाँ पे जितना है so it will be N2 हो गया so V2 upon N2 is equal to V1 upon N1 V2 upon N2 is equal to V1 upon N1 one thing and other equation we can get is V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 this is equal to K जो हम लोग वहाँ पे बात कर रहे थे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो K की है ना so we do the same thing is that we are getting the same equations V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 is equal to K okay now now the transformer rating S transformer rating है ना और we can write VA rating S is equal to V2 I2 is equal to V1 I1 we have seen already the same thing applies here also okay this rating will be similar V2 I2 is equal to V1 I1 like if the voltage is अगर voltage ज़्यादा होगा if it is higher then definitely it will be lesser what already I told you okay so like suppose we are having a circuit here and yes so consider that the voltage coming here is the input voltage is 400 volts okay and the current is 20 amps okay the current is 20 amps then what will be the secondary voltage simply it can be justified from here 400 into 20 is equal to 8000 VA okay let us suppose we have designed this transformer so as to convert this voltage step down this voltage and I want 200 volt okay I want 200 volts So here 200 volts. Then how much will be the current? The current will be just double of this because voltage is half, so current double हो जाएगा. So it will be 40. So again it will be 800 VA. So this is the operation of auto transformer. Right? For your clarification, okay. Till now, everything is clear, or you are having any sort of doubt? If you have any sort of doubt, you can ask. Okay.
सर रियोस्टेट भी एक टाइप का ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर है क्या?
No, rheostat is not auto transformer. Rheostat is a variable resistor. Okay. It is simply a resistor like this. Okay. So this is a kind of resistor, variable resistor line. Not like this. Suppose we are having a connection, something like that. That we move. So ऊपर में से move करते हैं ना. So we just shift that connection. Okay. We shift this connection, and this is something connected like this only. So sorry. This is somehow connected like this. तो इसमें finally ये होता है कि ये हमारा आउटपुट में इस तरह चला जाता है. अगर ये it will move to this part, it will slide to this part, and maximum resistance will be coming. Okay, this is A and this is B. So full resistance will be explained. If it is moved to this part, then minimum resistance will be explained. So it is just a resistance. Okay, resistance is a resistance, not auto transformer.
Okay.
Auto transformer, it is a magnetic circuit. Auto transformer, you are having windings. You are having like copper winding and having turns. Okay. In this different material is used. So it is completely different. So the same write-ups are mentioned here. Okay. So you may go through this text, okay, because it will be required while writing the answers. Okay. While you write in the examination, so you need this text, but the concept should be with you. Okay. So yes, then the application of auto transformer. Okay, so what is the application of auto transformer? So it is used as a compensating voltage. It is used for compensating the voltage drops by boosting supply voltage in distribution system. It is somehow for the advanced levels. Okay, like in recently you haven't seen perhaps like in your households also. Okay, outside your household in the society, you have seen your transformers. Substation. So substation there is a distribution system. Okay, it distributes to many loads. Okay, many localities. That is a distribution substation. Distribution system में क्या होता है कि voltage को compensate करना पड़ता है. So that additional voltage, that compensating voltage will be provided by this auto transformer. Okay. The second is that auto transformers with a number of capital means for starting induction and synchronous motors. Like induction motors. So when you study about induction motor, actually induction motor is that type of machine. like which needs some sort of control while starting. Okay, it is having a special method to while starting that induction motor. Okay, during starting it needs some other. There are various methods how to start the induction motor. Okay, it is not simply like that. We can just plug in the machine and it will run. Okay, so there are some methods. So one method is with the use of auto transformer. Okay, because it is having number of tapping. Okay. So with the change of tapping, the voltage will change. है ना? So actually what happens in induction motor? होता ये है कि during at the very beginning, at the starting of induction motor, it draws very heavy current. Okay. It draws a huge current from the input. Okay. And that may burn the winding. That is being called as inrush current. So actually to limit that current, okay, that inrush current, we need to use some sort of different methods like auto transformer, like start and starter. There are different starting methods. So auto transformers with a number of tapping are used for starting induction and synchronous motors. Third is auto transformers is used as variant in laboratory or where continuous variable rod length are required. So auto transformers are required in laboratories because in laboratories what we need is that we need a control voltage. Okay, so what we do is here हम जैसे यहाँ से हम एक connection लिए and we give that connection to like this is the input and this is my auto transformer. Okay, and from auto transformer I connect. This is auto transformer. Okay, I connect to a particular machine in my lab. Okay, any machine like ऐसी induction motor and then we will get the output. Okay, so to get a controlled voltage, because it is in your hand, you just change the tapping, the output voltage will change. Okay, so to get a controlled voltage, auto transformer is required, and it is called as a variant. Okay, variant. For this, the auto transformer is used as a balance point to give a neutral in three-wire AC distribution system. So again, advanced level concept. So just remember it. Okay. There is a lot of much news to you right now, and you will not be able to understand this point. Auto transformer is used as a balance point to give a neutral in a three-wire AC distribution. Actually, you have seen like this is the AC system. Needs a neutral connection. It needs a neutral connection. So that neutral can be provided with the use of this auto transformer. If you want to write, then you can write, or you are having a soft copy with you. Shall I close it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
सर आप छुट्टी दे दीजिए.
yes. So, have we gone through these notes? Just check everything has been discussed. The thing which is left is this one, the difference between ideal and actual transformer. Okay, so it is nothing very simple concept. Just I will share it with you. So ideal transformer, definitely there is no any losses. It is ideal. Okay. So in the secondary side, in the primary side, that R1 plus JX1, it will be 0, R2 plus JX2, it will be 0. Okay. These two things will be 0. So what we can get from here that, and one more thing is that the losses like the iron loss will be 0. Okay. And the loss that is I2 square R2 dash will be a sigma. I2 dash R2 dash plus JX2 dash. I2 square R2 dash plus JX2. तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. So simply the loss will be 0. So copper loss, that is also copper loss will also be 0. So you can see here the windings, both primary and secondary of an ideal transformer, are considered to have 0 resistance. Hence, lossless. Okay, no loss will be there. Second is there is no leakage flux in an ideal transformer. Like what we have discussed in transformer. Some sort of flux mixed to this path. Okay, this is magnetic path. So magnetic path say now some sort of path, some sort of flux got linked. Okay, and that is through air. So it is said that in ideal transformer, if it is ideal, then there will be no any leakage. So if there will be no leakage, then definitely there will be no any eddy current loss. So there is no leakage flux in ideal transformer. The permeability of the core material in ideal transformer is considered to be tending to infinity. The mu permeability, okay, the mu r is infinity, nearly infinity, and hence the current needed to set up the flux in the transformer is negligible. Okay, means the magnetizing current. Okay, IM क्या था उसमें 0 हो जाएगा. If IM will be 0, then what will happen? There will be no copper. There will be no core loss. There is 0 hysteresis and eddy current losses in ideal transformer. And the losses. Okay. So these are the major points of ideal transformer. Okay. कौन हो यार, किसको इतना गाना गाने मन कर रहे हैं? दबा देंगे बढ़िया से. लास्ट yes. So auto transformer over, rotating regulation completing is over. Now one thing is that three-phase transformer. So this three-phase transformer is just similar to transformer what we have studied. Okay, so it was a single-phase transformer. Okay, like single-phase in sense. As a single, एक voltage output transfer, last एक voltage V1 मिलता है. But in three phase, what we experience is this V1 is not a single phase. Okay, this will be a three phase voltage. So it will be something like this. Okay. और we can say it VRYB VRYB करके भी होता है ना, और VRYB whatever you can name it. Okay. This is a star connection. Okay, this is a star connection. This is a neutral. This is the neutral. Okay. You have seen it perhaps in AC circuit. वहाँ पे आपको ये three phase का connection दिखा होगा. It is a three phase voltage supply. Okay. And connected to three windings. Okay. This is winding 1, this is winding 2, and this is winding 3. So first I1, I2, and then I3. So this is a primary side. The primary side of a three-phase transformer. Now similarly, secondary भी होगा, like in a single phase transformer we have seen one primary and one secondary. So what will be the secondary here? Secondary, he is the maybe it is a star, maybe it can be a delta. Okay. So thing is that there is a three phase voltage supply and the output we will get is also three phase. Okay. It may be star also. Fine. It may be star, it may be a delta, or it may be a star also, or it may be or it may be a star also. It here in primary side it may be delta, secondary side it may be delta. So there are various types of connection. Okay. So what are those connections? So what are those connections? There are things. There are various connections. Okay, possible. Star connection. Second is star delta connection. Third is delta star connection. Fourth is delta. Okay. Fifth is spot connection. Okay, this is like some open V. This is open V connection. This is open V connection. One winding is kept open, so it performs. It happens when there is some sort of fault. Okay, when there is a fault in one side, then it may suppose here it is a fault, so either side open हो गया and it will behave as a single phase transformer. So you may be asked about this question, and it's very simple and very easy question. Nothing to do with this question. एक बार समझ जाओ ये सारे कनेक्शन को तो बनवा देना। एक बड़ा सा चीज बनवा देना। एक कनेक्टेड लाइक दिस। So this is the primary and remember ये आपका बराबर होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So it should be ये मैच करना चाहिए ना, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत करनी चाहिए। So this is star connection, this is अभी delta होगा, delta connection बना देना, okay? So this is about your transformer, okay? This is about the transformer topic complete. You will see a numerical, okay? Okay, write a question. Write a question. Yes. Yes, come on, please write. The no load current of a transformer. The no load current of a transformer is 10 amps. The no load current of a transformer is 10 amp at a power factor of 0.25. At a power factor 0.25 lagging.
Sir, at the power
factor of 0.25 lagging when connected to a 400 volts. When connected to 400 volts, 50 hertz. When connected to 400 volt 50 hertz supply, now calculate the magnetizing component of no load current. Okay. Calculate the magnetizing component of no load current. Second is iron loss. Third is maximum flux. Okay. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, right? Assume primary turns N1 is equal to assume N1 is equal to 500. Okay, assume N1 is equal to 500. So come to the basic concept of transformer. Head is at no load. Okay. Since we are talking about magnetizing component, magnetizing component निकालने के लिए हमको no load condition में जाएंगे. So no load condition में you might have remembered that I naught is equal to क्या था ये? I square plus IM. And इसका अगर हम फेजर निकालते हैं तो something like this. This will be IM and this is IE. This will be the no load current. This magnetizing current is always lagging this no load current. इससे हमेशा पीछे होगा because it is lagging. So we can develop we can have an equation from this. We can have an equation from here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारा एक क्या है, एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, तो व्हाट वी कैन राइट हियर, IM is equal to I naught sin theta sin phi. Since we are having cos phi, power factor, we are having power factor, na? We are having power factor, so it will be
IM cos phi बना सर.
हाँ
I naught sin phi बना वहाँ पे. Cos phi. IM is equal. IM is equal to cos phi होगा सर. Sin phi के जगह.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2.5 होगा सर आंसर.
I naught is equal to क्या बोल रहे हो?
बोल रहे हैं सर I naught cos phi होगा IM का
Sir,
वैल्यू.
I am equal to I naught cos phi.
इसमें क्या देखना?
क्या हो गया? सर IM जो है I नॉट का कंपोनेंट IM की तरफ तो I नॉट cos phi होना चाहिए.
होगा भाई.
हाई एंगल देख लीजिए सर कहाँ पे है, इसके बीच में. हाँ, तो cos phi होगा.
Cos phi is 0.25, na? So it will be like 2.5. Now again, the iron loss here is equal to V1 I naught into cos phi. So how much it will be? How much is the V1? V1 कितना है? 400 volts, ना? 400 volts, okay. And then the I naught is 2.5 and this cos phi. Okay. 0.25. Just multiply it. Okay. Now ये ठीक है आपका कैलकुलेट करना
सर
250
आई
आएगा।
नॉट 10 होगा ना
I got this and calculate it. Now second is we need to find the flux na. So flux phi we have the equation E is equal to under root 2. We have discussed about it na. Under root 2 pi m upon phi m. Okay. So it will be 4.44 into m1 into pi m. Okay. Suppose if it is m1, we are considering for the primary circuit only. Primary side. So E1 is 400 volts, 4.44 into N1 is 500. So it will be pi m will be, let's calculate it.
बराबर 400 कहाँ दिया
Whatever जो भी आएगा, this is the pi distance, okay. So इस तरह क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो you have to solve it something like that. Okay, fine. So this is over in transformer. I will give you some questions, okay, as an assignment, not today, some other day. You are supposed to submit those assignments on time. Send me the attendance, okay? Send me the attendance after 15 minutes. Yes, anybody? Okay.
एक और करा दीजिए सर न्यूमेरिकल।
हाँ?
न्यूमेरिकल एक और करा दीजिए।
ओके और एक न्यूमेरिकल करवा देंगे कल और एक दो न्यूमेरिकल करा देंगे, ठीक है, डिफरेंट अप्रोच का, सो दैट एनी न्यूमेरिकल
और तो क्लियर होगा सर
बट
सर
बस और तो क्लियर हो जाएगा पूरा क्लियर नहीं हुआ सर इस न्यूमेरिकल से
बट आई हैवंट गॉट क्या बोले
सर बोले सर और क्लियर हो जाएगा सर अगर एक आध न्यूमेरिकल और करा देंगे तो
yes I will share I will discuss some more numericals, okay, and
सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर इस क्वेश्चन से
yes
डाउट है सर
what say
सर जो आयरन का लॉस निकाला है ना सर
हाँ
सर तो उसमें आई नॉट का वैल्यू क्यों लिए सर वहां पर जो आई ई लेना चाहिए था ना वो पूछ रहे हैं आई नॉट तो टोटल करंट हो गया ना सर जो आयरन लॉस आएगा वो सिर्फ आई ई वाला आएगा ना शायद
it was something like this ना I नोट में यहाँ पे मैग्नेटाइजिंग करंट है, यहाँ पे ये एडी करंट फ्लो करता है, ठीक है, बट माय आयरन लॉस considers over this complete part.
सिर्फ टोटल आयरन लॉस है
जी हाँ, ये टोटल आयरन लॉस होगा ना. You have forward this formula, this is this one. E plus okay.
ओके सर
Fine.
सर अटेंडेंस कैसे सेंड करें
Attendance like before I don't know the name इसने सेंड किया था. Are you present?
यस सर
यस सर मैंने सेंड किया था
क्या नाम है आपका?
गुलशन
Yes. So Gulshan send me the spreadsheet for the doc today. after
Yes sir, कर दूंगा.
yes, so everybody guys, you will create
अटेंडेंस के बारे में सबका अटेंडेंस सेंड नहीं हुआ है सर.
वो
सारे लोग
अभी भी स्टार्ट है, उसमें कर सकते हैं एडिट.
okay, then we'll do, I will share one Google form in WhatsApp. Okay,
Yes sir, Google form में भेज दीजिएगा.
WhatsApp today you are supposed to fill that attendance within 1 hour. Okay, तो भेजूंगा उसे 1 घंटा तक आप लोग कर दीजिएगा. Maybe आप I will send
Okay,
you
sir.
the
Thank you, sir.
electrical group. Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
ओके सर.